Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. First of all, before beginning today's session, a very big thank you to all of you. Why? Last week we had been talking with your parents. We were discussing about online classes, online sessions, video lessons, the kind of problem that you people are facing as well as your parents. In that case, हमने पेरेंट्स से ये भी बात किया कि वीडियो लेसन्स जितना आपके लिए हार्ड है या कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है उतना ही इनिशियली हमें कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगा था, स्पेशली मी, स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा विदाउट द स्टूडेंट्स एंड एक्सप्लेनिंग. तो मुझे भी पहले ऐसा लगा कि कैसे कर पाएंगे, राइट. बट धीरे धीरे वी आर यूज्ड टू. नाउ इट्स ऑलरेडी बीन 3 months. हमने वीडियो लेसन शुरू किए थे अप्रैल मंथ से. अभी 6th of July आ गया है आज. So slowly and steadily we have won this race, we can say. So a very big thank you to you, to your parents, to all the guides, those who have helped you, right. Again I'm telling you, we the teachers, we know कि आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, लेकिन इन दैट केस, इन दैट प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज आज का काम आज कर लीजिए. अगर आप कल पे रखेंगे तो कल का काम होगा, सो इट वुड गैदर अलोंग. इसीलिए बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स से मेरी जैसे बात हुई तो दे टोल्ड दैट वीडियो लेसन्स नहीं देखते हैं, होमवर्क नहीं करते हैं. सी किड्स, यू आर इन 4th standard, you all are grown up and you know what is, see in normal scenario तो हम होते हैं आपके साथ, but this in right now in this pandemic session, in this pandemic period, we all are facing very big problem. Now as you know that जैसे आप खाना पीना सोना अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते, वैसे till an age आप पढ़ना भी अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते, right. तो अगर आप इस साल नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो अगले साल डेफिनेटली आपको प्रॉब्लम होगा. सो टू फाइट विद दैट प्रॉब्लम, व्हाई नॉट जस्ट गिव इट अ शॉट. ये जो वीडियो लेसन्स आपको आते हैं बच्चे, मेक श्योर, लेट मी टेल यू दिस थिंग, दैट टीचर्स आर टेकिंग इमेंस अमाउंट ऑफ पेन टू गाइड यू, टू मेक यू सी दिस वीडियोज. बहुत सारी ऐसी छोटी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीज़ें हैं जो वीडियो बनाने से पहले हमें गो थ्रू करनी पड़ती है. इनिशियल स्टेज पे अगर मैं देखूँ तो आई वॉज लाइक इन अ डिलेमा दैट हाउ विड आई एम गोइंग टू डिलीवर टू माई किड्स, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट दिस टेक्नो सेवी. मुझे मोबाइल्स ऐसे वीडियोस बनाने नहीं आते हैं, फॉरवर्ड करने नहीं आते थे, एप्लीकेशंस यूज़ करने नहीं आते थे. यूट्यूब में जो चैनल है, चैनल में वीडियो अपलोड करना, दिस ऑल आर सो मैनी थिंग्स. And to also the teachers are taking the pain to take you that extreme level जहाँ से आपको प्रॉब्लम, आपके जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो वो मिनिमाइज हो सके, वो कम हो सके. सो इन रिटर्न व्हाट वी आस्क इज, जब से जागे अभी रह गया, जितनी भी बुक्स आई है, जो भी बुक्स हमने चेक की, देर ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट. जो थोड़ी बहुत थी तो कभी भी आप कंप्लीट कर सकते हो, दैट इज परफेक्टली फाइन. बट देन व्हेन इट कम्स टू राइटिंग पोर्शन, अननेसेसरी अपने पेरेंट्स को परेशान करना, देयर इज नो पॉइंट, राइट. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, अगर आप रोज का रोज नहीं कर सकते हो, ट्राई हर ऑल्टरनेट. सपोज टुडे इफ यू हैव टेकन इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट, टुमारो डोंट टेक इंग्लिश, टुमारो टेक हर रोज के 2 सब्जेक्ट लीजिए, बिकॉज यू आर इन 4th standard. If you could have in 1st standard, then I would have suggested one subject for each day. But then you are in 4th standard, you are capable of writing and managing your books by your own. हाँ, रही बात मोबाइल्स की बात कि भाई पेरेंट्स के मोबाइल्स अवेलेबल नहीं होते हैं. कभी ऐसा होता है कि पापा फैक्ट्री पे गए होते हैं, पापा जॉब पे गए होते हैं, ममा का फ़ोन अवेलेबल नहीं होता है, तो एज एंड व्हेन आपको जब टाइम मिलता है देन यू आर वर्किंग विद दैट, है ना. So that is also okay. So make a timetable like that with the help of your mother. That if today if you have done 2 subjects जिनके लिए hard हो रहा है, जो कर पा रहे हैं definitely you will be doing the same thing. जिनको hard हो रहा है, जो बच्चे बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ने बोला कि नहीं करते हैं या नहीं बैठते हैं, So that kids, what you can do is you can have a timetable of two periods, two subjects every day. So suppose today is Monday. So Monday you have done English and Maths. So tomorrow do Hindi, SS or Science. Your one lengthy and one shorter subject. So Maths or English or Science ले लो, और कल फिर Maths और SS ले लीजिए, हिंदी ले लीजिए. सो एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे. इन दैट केस आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, सपोज आप मंडे को ट्यूसडे को मैथ्स पढ़ रहे हैं, तो आपको मंडे और ट्यूसडे दोनों डेज की काम आपको एक दिन में करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. एनी हाउ द वर्क वुड बी द सेम ओनली, बट देन इट वुड चेंज द स्टाइल. इफ यू थिंक इट कैन वर्क फॉर यू, आप सोचिए एक बार, अगर आपको लगता है दैट इट कैन वर्क, गिव इट अ ट्राई. बाकी try to complete your work so that आपको एक साथ सब कुछ लिखना ना पड़े. Clear? Coming to today's session, before starting the session, yes, one more thing. You have got this last week, and off was there, and you have not got any videos. But yes, you have got the sample papers. Case आपने sample papers किसी ने करा है या किसी ने print out निकाला है English का, what you can do is you can if you want, you can share with me in a PDF file, in an image form, in my WhatsApp, in my personal WhatsApp, so that once I'll be free, I'll go through it and I'll come back, I'll revert back to you कि आपको समझ में आया कि कहीं कुछ गलती हुई है, तो I can direct you like that, right? Moving for today's session. Today is Monday, 6th of July, and today we will be doing our grammar term 1's last chapter, that is chapter number 14. Those who don't have the syllabus paper, please ping me up, please WhatsApp me, I'll send you the syllabus paper. Now till date what we have done, we have completed literature portion में chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many chapters? 5 we have completed along with this poem, right? अब बाकी लिखने में क्या रहा था, तो चैप्टर नंबर 3, सॉरी पोएम नंबर 3, पोएम नंबर 4 एंड चैप्टर नंबर 5. दिस 3 थिंग्स, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आर रिमेनिंग टू बी रिटन इन योर नोटबुक. क्यों रह गए थे? Yes, because your notebooks were submitted at the school. This session,
So in today's session, we will be completing chapter number 14, that is future tense.
Revision in worksheet will be starting on Wednesday. Clear? So today let us begin with chapter number 14, that is the future tense. Now future tense, in chapter number 3 or 4 we studied the future tense. Future tense, we already know tenses are of 3 types, that is present, past and future. Present माने अभी जो हम कर रहे हैं वो, you are listening, I am speaking, I am dictating, I am teaching, you are enjoying. So these are the work which is going right now. Past tense is the work which we have done, we have already completed, जो हमने complete कर लिया था, that is also we have learned. And today's topic is future tense. What is future tense? Future tense is the tense where the work is to be finished or to be done. हमने अभी तक किया नहीं है, हम अभी करेंगे. I am going to write in the book. You are going to copy it in the book, right? ऐसा काम जो हम near future में करेंगे. Clear? चलिए, so without wasting time, let us do our today's session.
So here we are with chapter number 14, the future, right? The future tense, that is on page number 71. चलिए, read these sentences. Jamie will watch a movie on Sunday. We will visit grandma on the holidays. India will win the World Cup. The words in the blue are verbs. They are in the simple future form. What is the simple future form? The simple future is used to talk about actions that have not taken place as yet. We use the future forms to talk about actions that will take place later. अभी नहीं हुआ है, होगा, बाद में किया जाएगा. And for that, what do we use? We use will with he, she, it and they. We also use will with I and you. The verb used after will is always in its root form. हमेशा याद रखिए, will के साथ जो verb हम use करते हैं वो root form में होगा, V1 form में. will watch, will visit, will win, right? Will visited, will watched, will won. ऐसा नहीं आएगा. It is always in the root form, the basic form, V1 form. Clear? चलिए, now let us begin the first exercise. Use will plus a verb from the list below to complete these sentences. One has been done for you. Read, help, reach, rain, give, buy, move. Right? First one. I want that book. I will read it tonight. Second one. Our landlord is selling this house. Landlord माने मकान मालिक. Our landlord is selling this house. We dash to the new house next month. ये house landlord is selling. We dash to the new house. क्या करेंगे हम? We move. We will. Here we will write will and then move. We will move to the new house next month. चलिए. It dash heavily this afternoon. What is this picture saying? Rain. So here it is rain. But you will write will rain because it is not rain. Afternoon में rain होगा. अभी नहीं हो रहा. So it will rain. Clear? Now turn the page. Next. Jane dash a present to Lily next week. She has promised her. Jenny dash a present to Lily next week. Now, what options were remaining? We can see from the picture. Help, reach, give or buy. Now, she will buy. Jane will buy. उसने promise किया था, so she will buy. Clear? So Jane will buy a present to Lily next week. She has promised her. The train dash the station soon. Option में reach था, so will reach. Station पे train पहुंच जाएगी. It will reach. R-E-A-C-H reach. R-E-A-C-H reach. I'm very hungry. I think I Jane will give present to Lily next week. She has promised her. Give. The train will reach the station soon. I am very hungry. I think I dash some food on my way home. I will buy. I will buy. Right? I dash you with your project. Which was the last option? Help. So I will help you with your project. Done? Chaliye, read this conversation. I will make all of you rich. I will take a selfie. Wait, I'm going to go and get a suitcase. I'm going to go and get a suitcase now. The future can also be expressed by using going to. We use going to when the action is planned and we are sure about it. Going to. I'm going to speak something very useful. I'm going to Rajkot this week. माने will की जगह पे going to अगर लगाते हैं then it is used in the future tense, but only if the action is planned. Right? चलिए, move to the next exercise, that is question number 2. Look at the pictures. Complete the sentences using going to plus a verb from the list below. Don't forget to add is, am or are. One has been done for you. He is going to answer the phone. He is going to answer the phone. They dash by plane. क्या करेंगे plane से? Travel. तो they है, plural है. So what you will write, is or am or are? Are. Yes, because it is plural. We already know that this is are. They are going to travel by plane. Here I'll cut travel. Done. I dash dinner. आई क्या कर रही है, आई डिनर क्या करते हैं, डिनर कुक करते हैं, सो आई एम, राइट, आई के साथ हमेशा एम लगता है, आई एम गोइंग टू कुक डिनर, cook I'll cut. Next, she dash in the pool. What is she doing? She swim. So she is going to swim in the pool, and I'll cut swim. She is going to swim in the pool. Next, he dash to work. He drive. He is going to drive to work. Drive to work माने कार लेके जाने वाला है, राइट? चलिए लास्ट वन, वी डैश फुटबॉल. वी, द ऑप्शन इज प्ले. वी आर, वाई आर? बिकॉज वी इज प्लूरल, राइट? वी माने बहुत सारे. वी आर going to play football. Then repeat the answers. They are going to travel by plane. I'm going to cook dinner. She is going to swim in the pool. He is going to drive to work. We are going to play football. So will की जगह पे is MR लगा के going to can also be termed in the future tense. Done this exercise? चलिए now turn the page. Read these sentences using will. I will get some coffee for myself. I will call her tonight. We will watch a show on TV later. चलिए using going to. I'm going to a coffee shop in the evening. He is going to meet her tomorrow. We are going to watch a play at the Esplanade in this evening. See, these three things अगर sentences आप ध्यान से देखें तो these are some sentences कि जिसमें confirmed है कि मैं ये करने वाली हूँ. I'm going to a coffee shop in the evening. शाम को मैं जाने वाली हूँ. I'm going to meet her tomorrow, right? So these are the examples where the things are being planned. This is to be done. Clear? But that is in the future. Right? So there we use going to. Clear? So understood the use of will and going to? Okay. Now question number 3 would be today's homework. Take it and mark it as HW. I'm not going to send the answer key. Why? Because think of 5 things that you think you are likely to happen next year. Write down here. Dad will turn 50 this year. Mom will be Mom will be going to Canada this year. My little brother will be going to school this year. My grandma is going to retire from her job this year. Right? ऐसी 5 चीज़ें जो आप सोचते हैं नेक्स्ट ईयर में हो सकती है. आप नेक्स्ट ईयर, दिस ईयर मैंने जहाँ पे बोला है वहाँ पे आप नेक्स्ट ईयर लगा सकते हैं. नॉट एन इश्यू, राइट? सो कोई भी ऐसी 5 चीज़ें जहाँ पे you think that you can relate that things to your daily life. Clear? साथ ही साथ come to the next, that is exercise number 4, that is again an homework. Now imagine you are a fortune teller. We have already done this exercise. Fortune teller माने the one who says about the future. Say 5 things that your friend is going to do next year. Write them down here. You are telling this 5 things to your friend. You are going to America. You are going to get first rank. You are going to be very fat. You are going to be tall. You are going to get good marks in exams. So etc etc you can write. So basically you will be writing this to your friend and this any 5 things that you think can happen. Clear? So page number 74, exercise 3 and 4 will be your homework for today, right? So tomorrow I'll be sending just a video plus the question answers, the PDF of question answers of poems, right? Till we meet tomorrow, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.